thank Pastor Eddie of Miracle Church, which is situated on Tirinyi Road, opposite Industrial Park, for the support he has given us during this disaster of 2,000 bunches of banana, which we are going to give to those affected families. I want to appeal to those people who are collecting names of those people who have no food, to really target those ones who are really without any opportunity of getting food because of this disaster. That's why I'm here with the publicity sector of Mbale City, and also a businessman here. Although for them they don't benefit, they don't qualify, because for them they still can look for something. But at least as a leader in a ruling party, we must know how many people are helping our people. So we shall be beginning giving out this food tomorrow for those affected families.